Hey guys, so you ever have all this corrosion buildup on your car? Well, I'm no expert. I don't know what causes it, but I'm going to tell you how I fix it. There's a much better way. There's an expert way, all this and that. But this is how I'm going to fix it. First, I'm going to loosen it up and take it off. And it's got so much there that I can really maneuver it out. So I'm going to pour a little bit of carbonated drink on there, guys. And this carbonation, I'll go ahead and rinse off all the sugar in a little bit, but it dissolves all that buildup. And yes, I could just leave it like that, I guess, but I bought these things right here. They go on the terminals to prevent this from happening anymore. So look at that, look at that. It's completely clean now for the most part, but I'm still gonna take it off, and I'm gonna use this product here that I got on Harbor Freight, I think it was. Let me show you. And it actually opens up. I'm gonna clean around with this one, and then I'm gonna clean the terminal again by inserting it and spinning it. Okay, once you take it off, you know, you can pour. I'm pretty sure that these are a specific acid, guys, or an acid cleaner for this. I'm sure this is not the ideal way, but you know, I'm not an expert. So now I'm gonna get my tool here and I'm gonna scrape all this and that. Let me see if I can set this up. Be careful because these are sharp. But there you go. And I'm gonna cover it up. And I'm gonna scrape over here. As you can see, it's perfectly clean now. I'm gonna try and get some of that stuff there in there. I'm trying to hard time with that. Okay guys, I got it nice and clean. Ooh, look, I missed a spot in there. Let me get all that. Alright, well that's all the time I am okay investing on this terminal. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it back now that everything's clean. I'm gonna assemble it back, guys. Now I went ahead and opened this package that I bought. And it does have some sort of liquid on there, guys. So I don't know exactly the function of it, how it's gonna work, but it's already on there. I'm gonna put it right on here. And I'm gonna assemble the terminal back the way it was. And I'll show you. And there you go. It's all set back up. So that should be doing amazing contact now. The item's already on there. So yeah, this process will only take you like 10 minutes depending on how stuck that is, or how much corrosion, or how much of a hard time you have taking it off. But other than that, simple process, and it'll save you some headache with your battery. Once it'll start draining it and making false contact, you won't start, you think you need a new battery. But that's it right there. Just clean it up. All the corrosion's gone. I put my new product there to stop from corroding, and hopefully that works. Hope that helps.